Welcome back to Quiz B. How good is your knowledge of animals? Challenge yourself with these exciting questions. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz B channel for more exciting quizzes. Which one is the strongest, the lion or the tiger? When they come face to face, the tiger wins. Which one is the loudest, the blue whale or the howler monkey? The blue whale. Its sound can travel over 500 miles. Which one is the fastest, the gazelle or the cheetah? The cheetah. It can run up to 70 miles per hour. Which insect can make honey? The bee. Which one has no blood, the starfish or the octopus? The starfish. Who sleeps only 2 hours a day, the koala or the giraffe? The giraffe. Actually, koala sleeps over 20 hours a day. Which one is the smartest, the dog or the dolphin? The dolphin. Which one is the heaviest animal in the world? The blue whale. Which one can live for 150 years, the turtle or the elephant? The Galapagos tortoise. Which one has the biggest wings, the eagle or the albatross? The wingspan of the wandering albatross can reach 11.5 feet. Which one can see 360 degrees, the owl or the chameleon? The chameleon. Which one has teeth, the snail or the frog? Snails actually have teeth and even a tongue. Which animal eats its own poop, the cow or the rabbit? The rabbit. It eats its own poop to get more nutrients. Which animal is nicknamed the killer whale? The orca. Which one has 3 hearts, the octopus or the crab? The octopus. Which animal is known for stealing shiny things, the rat or the magpie? The magpie. It hides shiny stuff in its nest. Which one can naturally change its sex, the clownfish or the seahorse? The clownfish. If the female dies, a male will turn into a female. Which one can't fly? The chicken. Which one can go the longest without breathing, the turtle or the crocodile? Some turtles can hold their breath for over 6 hours. Which animal is the largest marine mammal, the great white shark or the blue whale? The blue whale.